welcome back to Just Gulden. In this video, I'll be discussing how energy efficient Gulden is compared to Bitcoin. This has become quite a contentious subject recently, with Elon Musk making it known he is not happy with the total energy consumption used by miners to secure the Bitcoin blockchain. Malcolm, the lead developer for Gulden, wrote up an in-depth article on this topic, and I'll be going through the summarized portion of it. I have also placed the link to the full article by Malcolm, which is actually worth a read if you want to delve further into his analysis. First, a tweet from Elon Musk on the 13th of May regarding this topic. Link in the description below. So let's see what he had to say. Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. Cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels, and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at great cost to the environment. Tesla will not be selling any Bitcoin, and we intend to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. We are also looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy per transaction. Now I'll be switching to the article written by Gulden's lead developer on the subject and how Gulden measures up to Bitcoin. Once again, the link is in the description below. So I'll be narrating this as well. Gulden's energy consumption, an honest comparison to Bitcoin. The energy usage of cryptocurrencies is currently a hot topic on everyone's minds. The claims on both extremes are a bit silly, with blockchain extremists claiming people should ignore energy usage completely, while anti-blockchain extremists want to leverage this to ban all of cryptocurrency without exploring options like Gulden that offer an alternative solution. I'm not going to take a side on that in this particular article, other than to say that the truth, as always, lies somewhere in the middle. We should all care to some extent about these things and form our own opinion. With these sorts of topics on everyone's minds, a lot of people recently are asking me about Gulden's energy usage and energy efficiency. In this article, I attempt to do as fair as possible a comparison of the energy consumption of Gulden to that of Bitcoin. There are a lot of factors to consider, including current versus future block rewards and network parameters. But given the same market cap as Bitcoin, were Gulden to replace Bitcoin, the Gulden network is capable of realistically achieving, with some fine-tuning, over 260 times the efficiency of Bitcoin at minimum, potentially more, while still maintaining equivalent or probably higher security, and with the potential to place an upper bound on energy usage instead of eternal growth. A network that can run at lower costs, not just in terms of capital, but also environmental. At absolute worst, if left completely otherwise unchanged, it would still achieve 4 times the efficiency of Bitcoin for the same market cap, but with massively excessive security in comparison. So just to add, 260 times the efficiency of Bitcoin equates to 0.37% of energy usage compared to Bitcoin. And Elon Musk was wanting less than 1%. So Gulden fits that bill and much more. So if anyone is good friends with Elon, you can let him know that Gulden meets the requirements of less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy usage for superior security if Gulden were the same market cap. Thanks again for taking the time to listen to this video.